Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can blur a video in Davinci Resolve 16. So this is quite simple, and I'm going to show you how you can do this in just a few simple steps. Now, I don't want to waste your time, so let's get into this right away. So I've opened up a clip in my timeline, and I'm going to blur this clip. So all I need to do for that is select the clip, and then click on Effects Library right there. Next up, all you need to do is click on Open FX and then click on Filters. Now once you do that, right away you'll find the Resolve FX blur. So there are a few different blurs available. We have the box blur, Gaussian blur, lens blur, zoom blur, radial blur, and all of these different ones, right? I recommend and I always use the Gaussian blur. So you want to select it and then drag this over to your clip. This will then blur your video. Now you can then also customize that blur by simply selecting your clip, then clicking on Inspector right there, and you can then start customizing this. So if you go to Open FX, you can see that if I just scroll down, if I just get rid of the glow, you'll find the Gaussian blur effect right there, and you can then change the strength of this as well. So let's say that I want this to be like way more blurred. You can then drag this all the way over here and it will be blurred. Now, if you want less blur, you can do like this, and there you go. So that's how you can blur a video in Davinci Resolve 16. If this quick video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.